everyone, welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Get fit challenge full body workout is the second part of the workout. In this we will tell you this exercise to lose your workout for the whole body, in which all the things are including in the upper body and lower body. Let's start now. First exercise, deadlift to row. In this exercise we will tilt our upper body forward and take hand in dumbbell and pull it upward and release it down slowly. 30 and 50 seconds. Continue, repeat exercise. Full body best exercise and reduce your internal fats. Next exercise, lunges. In this exercise we will keep your upper body straight and take a dumbbell in both your hand and exercise your lower body and bring both our legs forward and backward one and complete this exercise. Repeat exercise continuously 30 and 50 seconds. Legs and thigh best exercise. And next exercise, plank row. In this exercise you will keep the weight of your whole body in your hand and feet and will lift a dumbbell in one hand. From above you will bring the take down from it. With the other hands you will lift the hand and bring the down and do the exercise continuously for 30 and 50 seconds. Guys, don't give up. Continue, repeat exercise. Guys, next exercise, squat dips to curl press. Well down the exercise. In this starting we will now sit and take a dumbbells in your hand, then you will make your body pulls upward and the dumbbell will also lift your upwards. Will sit again, then by in pressing the dumbbell upward. This exercise be complete. Do the exercise very carefully, guys. Only 30 and 50 seconds. Buttocks and legs best exercise and full body fat loss exercises. And next exercise, guys, lunges. In this exercise we will keep one leg forward and take the other leg back. You will breathe in both your hand in dumbbell and take the dumbbell in both hand up and down. Hand rises with dumbbell. Armpit and chest best exercise. Next exercise, squat press. When do this exercise we will put in both your hand the dumbbell. This sit down and keep the dumbbell on the bottom. You pick up You will slowly lift the dumbbell upward and then slowly bring it down and then sit again. Continuously do this exercise. Only 30 seconds. And next exercise, tricep kickback. In this exercise we will hit the upper part of the body to upward. The front of the keep a dumbbell in both your hand and slowly take it backward and then bring it forward. Do this exercise very carefully, guys. Concentrated exercise to very well exercise, guys, your upper body and lower body. And next exercise, weight putties. In this exercise we will keep the rest of our hand in our whole hand in jumps and bring your feet forward and then get up. Guys, almost full body workout. Only 30 and 50 seconds. Guys, don't give up. Please watch the full video. And next exercise, guys, squat lateral walk. In this exercise we will keep the dumbbell on the shoulders and slowly walk from here to there. And squat position, lateral walks. Weighting loss, best exercise, internal fats and reduce your internal abs fats and all whole body best exercise. And next exercise, plank pull through. In which exercise we will put the weight of the whole body on your hand and feet. Pick up the dumbbell with your hand, keep it to the right side and pick up dumbbell from the right side. Will keep it on the left side and left side will keep the right side. Lift the dumbbell. Guys, I hope almost done exercise. Please guys, share video, like and comment and subscribe. Bye bye guys.